What's up, everybody? It's JP Richmore here. Yo. Oh, what did I do? You pressed the button. Oh, okay. All right, we back. We back. It's JP Richmore here with Kid Armont. You know, we at Elite FX Trading Lab in the office right now. But yeah, back to the video. Today's video, we're gonna be going over how to hold your trades when you're trading. It's gonna be a simple tip. So basically, whenever you are in your position, some traders have, well, before we get into that, like, comment, and subscribe on the video. So tap into click the link in the description to join the Elite FX Trading Lab. Over 100 members right now. And yeah, so take the time out to do that right now. If you haven't already, subscribed to the channel and into the Elite FX Trading Lab. We also have Elite FX Mentorship, what we call daily signals, webinars, live streams, live trading, analysis, pre-market signals, whenever we're entering trades in the market, and then whenever we're exiting trades in the market. We'll keep you guys updated in the Learn and Earn mentorship and the whole process behind taking these setups. Back to the video. So today we're going to be learning about holding our trades. So basically, for example, price comes up into our supply, area of supply. We will be looking to sell in this area. And with that being the case, putting a short position right here as our entry, stop loss right above that wick. And we want to identify areas to target. So overall, basically target into the demand area, but we want to look to our left. We will look to our left to determine what parts of the trade are significant parts we can look at in the market that previously reacted, and basically see how we're going to where we're going to hold or close each trade at each significant area, significant level. So with that being said, for example, let's move down to the 30-minute to get a closer look. All we're going to be doing is looking for price, any area to the left, like I said, bearish candles, basically levels of resistance that held and price reacted off of. So first one being to the left would be right here. Second area would be right here. Probably redefine it more like this. Third area, basically all of this, right? We go more to the left. Next area, these lows. And we have another bearish candle, basically like right here. We got to pay attention to each and all of these levels. Now it might look a little like it's we're doing the most, but we're actually not. We're just monitoring levels that price has significantly reacted to previously in the past, and determine whether price comes down. Whether price comes down right here, we can see that price reacted a little bit, but enough to keep going down. It reacted, shot way up. The key to holding the trade is if price comes down to a previous zone like it did right here, and it violates this zone, the zone that it previously was in. So for example, price shot straight up past this, anywhere above this area, like right here, then it's time to cut the trade. So technically right here would have been the best time to cut this trade when price made its way all the way up here. because it violated out of the zone. Even though it did drop, we wouldn't want to take the risk realistically of price continuing on to this next zone, because price travels all the time from zone to zone, zone to zone. Even if price, came down like that, that's how we're looking at it as traders, from zone to zone. But yeah, could have got a beautiful 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio on a trade that would have lasted you 1 day and 22 hours. So 4% on your account right there, and that's just zone to zone trading. That's how we hold our trades. Basically, when price comes to these levels, we're making our decisions whether we want to close or hold the trade to the next zone. The only time you would close the trade is if price violates its previous zone, is broken already. I'll say that one more time. The only time we're closing trades is if price violates the previous zone it has already broken. That's it for today's video. Subscribe to the channel, rate. If you got any questions, I know this is my first time really explaining how to hold the trades, but this is a video I'll just make for right now. And if y'all have any more questions, if it was clear enough, y'all let me know in the comments. I'm new to the YouTube thing, but still can provide you guys with great value and future videos that you guys want me to make and help you guys in your trading journey to become ultimately funded and profitable traders. So yeah, till next time, JP Richmore signing out.